You missed bitcoins, you missed NFTs, but in 2026, AI influencers are on the wave, and people are going to make shit ton of money with AI influencers in 2026. Everyone knows that social media is on the power for the next 5 to 10 years. You wanna make money with social media on Instagram as an influencer, doing paid promotions, but the problem is you hate recording yourself. So that's why Higgsfield just came up with AI Influencer Studio that don't just let you create a photo or image of your character, but also let you animate your character up to 30 seconds with whatever you want, like this, twerking, or this, or even this. Like, wow, wow. And the best part of this whole AI Influencer Studio program is that Higgsfield is not only let you create your own personal brand on Instagram for like pennies of cost, but they are paying you for uploading these videos. So they just introduced these creator program known as Higgsfield Earn, where you can see the total earning of all you. It is over $600,000, and Unreal Mini with your AI influencer, make your AI influencer to your video. So there are just three simple steps. Number one, log into your account. You can connect your social media account like YouTube. There, like I have also like connected my YouTube account to like this, and I am earning good money, and also this. So they will provide you all the instructions that you need to create this video in this kind of video, and it is super easy. You can almost make about $100 with like just one shot according to your reach, and you don't want to like hit the monetization level on YouTube or needs about 100,000 followers on Instagram. You just need 110k or 100k video, which is very easy these days. You just post a video and then you will submit it to the Higgsfield program, and then you will receive your money. Okay, now let's create our AI influencer, and I will show you in real time how to create your AI influencer. And currently it is free. That is like the best thing that Higgsfield can do. I will show you the real workflow of how to create these kind of videos and how to upload it. Well, you guys know how to upload it and how to earn money with this. Now here I am in the Higgsfield dashboard, and look here in the header there is the AI influencer, and currently it is free. Okay, so this could be limited. Here is the whole dashboard of the AI influencer. It's pretty simple, and here AI influencer, so there is like it is facing some kind of issues due to a high user load, because people want free money, right? Okay, and they usually give 30 credits of free. Okay, so here is the dashboard, and on the left side you can see there are like pre-built AI influencer that you can directly use and create videos of. These are the most like, I think, the most viral AI influencer of this time. Let's click on this, and here she will appear, and it is she's a very cute girl. And here it is Jupiter. It is an aunt with an iPhone. Okay, she is Paris with some kind of long vampire look. Okay, so you get my point. Okay, this is like a kind of octopus that is built, and here we can save this influencer cover, we can regenerate, and we can edit this in Nano Pro to make some variations to differ our version from this pre-built one. Okay, and here there's a create new that we will use, and here your AI influencer will come. And also here is an option known as surprise me with, which means that it will create an AI influencer for you. to surprise you. Okay, so here, so on the right side there is this builder thing where you can build this, and also there is a prompt thing where you can describe a prompt and it will create an AI influencer for you. And also Higgsfield let you create one unified builder, which means that you can create, edit and animate the same character in one single dashboard, rather than switching tools to tools, like creating your AI influencer in Nano Banano, then switching to Kling VO3 to animate it, and if you want any editing you will again go to Nano Banano. But here in the Higgsfield you can do it all in just one go, in just one dashboard. And here in the builder side you can there are 90 plus parameters to edit your AI influencer and to create it. Like, you can absolutely change anything from eyebrow color to eyes color to lips color to their face, and you can even merge two of the AI influencer. So here there are gender, there are 1 2 3 4 5. What? There are not 5 genders in this world, there are only 2. And there is this ethnicity or origin base: Asian, European, Indian and Middle Eastern. Why is there not Pakistani? But Middle East is usually Pakistan. Okay, then there is skill care. Who the hell in this world, not trying to be racist, but have dark green color? Damn. And here, oh, I like this black one, to be honest. And here, skin conditions. If you want your AI influencer to have different kind of skin conditions, and there is this adult and advanced face setting. You can change your body to be lean, curvy, skinny, muscular, and you can also style with different types of hairstyles. Then here comes the mouth or the, oh my god, it literally scares me for like a moment. And there, here are the ears. You can also customize your ear horns. Okay, then there is face skin material. There is this fish skin. If any of you guys want a influencer to be a fish, there is also fur. Also there is metal and hair surface patterns. There are 90 plus surface patterns, and there are so many advanced features in it that you can use. Okay, now let's try to create an AI influencer, and let's try with what Higgsfield has to offer us. And I am literally surprised by the amount of people Higgsfield is like giving money to. So first we will create a human. Obviously we don't want a reptile. And then let's start with a male. And then ethnicity, I want it to be a Pakistani male, but there is no such option, so let's go with Middle Eastern and Indian. Okay, skin color would be skin color yeah. And eyes will be eyes will be black eyes, just a usual one, and we don't want any of the skin color. And age mature, senior. There is no teenager, so let's try senior. Senior is like so much mature. Let's do adult. Or if we just no, what the hell. Okay, advanced setting. Face, we want it to be human. Eyes and eyes details different, blind eye, scared eye. No, we don't want any of that. Small mouth, large mouth, sharp teeth, different teeth. Just let's not select anything. Ears, oh no, ears. And skin will be human skin, and then surface pattern will be solid. Let's just okay, it seemed good. Okay, now let's um, try to generate our influencer, and let's see how it will look. And after this, this influencer will be saved here, and we can create as much videos as with the same character, which is known as a character consistency. Okay, it have generated us this image of it. Okay, I it is like an average one, to be honest. Let's now customize this. Okay, now let's also customize this into our style. So as seen, now we can like I can tell this can be a fashion influencer, but now we will change it to customize it into some little spice, not that type of spice, but let's try to give it something. Okay, I've just prompted it to wearing a navy blue tailored suit, standing on a luxury rooftop in Dubai, etc, etc. And now let's edit it, and now it will generate us our new AI influencer. Okay, so it is surprisingly well. We can see the Burj Khalifa, as I mentioned, Dubai. So we can see the Burj Khalifa in the back, and it is low-key good, and the watch is there, the bracelet is there, and the hairstyle is there. So yeah, we can agree to it. Now the most important thing is it is just a picture. We can also generate it with nano banano, but the main thing of the AI influencer is the motion control. We can give it a motion, and I can show you how can you create. So here it is also a free motion library. We can make it dance. Let's explore some more of this to like tell it. We can okay, this dance it seems good, and there is this girl. Oh, I lucky like this one, this black guy wearing a black t-shirt. Okay, let's select this one, and the quality we can change it. So 720p consumes 1 credit per second, and 1080p consumes 1.5 second. Scene control mode, let's make it as it is in orientation. Okay, let's take it default. Okay, now let's generate. We have also 15 credits left. Okay, now there is 14 credits. Okay, so the video just came up of that dancing guy that I created, and it is using Kling 2.6 motion control. It is like a new model, and I generated in 1080p, and it also took about 15 minutes, I guess, but I think the result will be incredible. I have like seen 2 to 3 seconds, but this is the live reaction. Okay, yo, damn, this is real good. Okay, the glasses, the eye contact, and I am gonna put these two videos right here, and then you guys can see how superable these AI models have become. These two videos have two different backgrounds, two different peoples, and they both have two different personality and style, face, but look how identical the videos are. This is incredible. And you know what is the best part of this Higgsfield new AI influencer studio? So the best part is you can now create up to 30 seconds of content in one go, in one single dashboard. You don't have to create 3, 4, 8 second clips with different AI, with different prompts. You can just create one 30-second prompt. You can just create one 30-second video, and if you like, you can create a full vlog of your AI influencer if you want. Now if you also want to create your own AI influencer and get paid for just uploading clips of this on social media, just go to the link in the description and just create your own character and get paid with Higgsfield earn feature.